All right, if you're looking at engineering colleges for the 2026 admissions, this one should definitely be on your list. We're diving into Mangayarkarasi College of Engineering, located in Madurai, and you'll want to remember this TNEA code. It's 5536. Okay, first things first. When you're making a big decision like this, you need to know the college is legit, right? So let's look at the key credentials. So right off the bat, you've got two major green flags. The college has AICTE approval for the academic year 2025-26, and it's affiliated to the one and only TNEA University in Chennai. You know, these are the two most important checks you need to make. So the approvals tell us what the college is, but let's talk about why it exists. What's the purpose behind it all? Let's look at the founding vision. Wow, take a look at this. The mission is to educate the rural people and to improve their economic status. You know, this isn't just some corporate jargon. It's a really powerful and clear goal. It shows that the college sees education as a tool, a real way to lift up the local community and create opportunities. And this vision has a history. It all started back in 1995, when the founder, Amar K. Pachaya Pillai, set up the Mangayarkarasi Educational Trust. It wasn't until 2013, almost 20 years later, that they took the next big step and established this College of Engineering. Okay, so with that history and mission in mind, what can you actually study here? Let's get into the undergraduate programs, your engineering options for 2026. All right, so here's the lineup. You've got 8 BE programs to choose from. What's really interesting here is the mix. You have your solid core branches like mechanical and computer science, but check this out. They also offer electric vehicle technology and AI and machine learning. That's a huge plus. It means they're not just sticking to the old stuff. They're looking ahead at where the jobs are going to be. Okay, let's move on to the two things that pretty much every student and parent wants to know about: placements and financial support. You know, what happens after you graduate and how can you afford it? So, yeah, the big one. What are the job prospects like? After 4 years of all that hard work, what can you expect? Let's take a look at the placement numbers the college themselves have reported. 100%. According to the data submitted for TNEA, the college reports a 100% placement rate. Now, that's a really strong number, and it suggests a serious focus on getting their students into the workforce right after graduation. And what about the cost? Well, here's some really good news. The college helps students get access to important government scholarships. We're talking about the post-matric scholarship for SC/ST students, the scholarships for BC, MBC, and DNC students, and even the minority scholarship. This is absolutely crucial for families planning their finances. All right, let's switch gears a bit and talk about the day-to-day stuff, the logistics of student life. You know, campus facilities and how easy it is to get there. So, on campus, they've got the essentials covered. There's a girls' hostel available, which is great. The mess caters to both vegetarian and non-vegetarian preferences. And if you're a day scholar, no worries, they have a college transport service as well. And here's a really big deal when it comes to location. The campus is just 4 kilometers from Madurai Junction railway station. I mean, that's super convenient. It makes getting to and from the college so much easier, especially for students who are coming from out of town. Just so you know, all the details we've talked about today come straight from the college's own website and from official government portals. We've compiled it as accurately as possible at the time we put this together. So there you have it, a quick look at Mangayarkarasi College of Engineering. You've got the strong community focus, the mix of modern courses, and that great connectivity. Is it the right place for you? Well, that's a decision only you can make. Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.